going on, you guys? So today I had to change my camshaft sensor, which some of you guys don't know, hold on, is right here behind this bracket. And one of the main things to do, there's a screw that goes right here. Hold on. It lines up right there. You're gonna take off that screw. There's a screw up here. That one right there that you see. And once you loosen those two screws, that pretty much loosens the bracket, but it'll help if you loosen this screw behind this pulley, the crankshaft pulley. All of this, it's in there, and then you can move this bracket freely to get to the sensor that's behind there. And then there's a tab that you gotta lift up and remove the wire harness from the sensor, which then it's the old sensor right here. See, like this. So it's like inside that bracket like that. I would say the difficult part about it would be taking out the sensor, because it really stuck. But what you do is wiggle it out until you get it out. Now I've seen some people, they go from up top and take that water pump out, and well, before you even do that, you got to take your serpentine belt off, and then you can take your water pump off. If you want to make it even easier, you take your pulley off, then you can reach your brackets and all that like that. But if you don't feel like doing that, then you can do it this way. Just take off your two screws, like I said, that 1, 2, and maybe loosen that one up. This screw that you see here, that's also, the bracket extends to the back. To get in there, to get to the screw in there, I use one of these flex heads, 10 millimeter. I got in there and fit it on there the best way I could. If you couldn't, you get behind it. You'll get behind the pulley to get there. You're gonna have to use both hands, one to hold down on it, and then the other one to ratchet. And then it'll come off. But the most difficult part is getting that sensor off. But after you get everything put back together, you'll be good. So, and this is a 2011 GMC Sierra hybrid. You can't even get the book for this truck. Well, I guess you got to get the regular the regular book, like if it wasn't a hybrid. Pretty much the same engine. This truck just has the hybrid part of it, which I don't know too much about, but I hope to help you guys out with that, with my tips, a way of getting to that crankshaft sensor, and hopefully that solves my problem. If it isn't, I'm actually gonna have to take that whole pump off, the water pump off up there, and then this pulley off, because I got to get behind here and change the articulator is what it's called back there. There's an articulator back there. So, but yeah, I'll give you the update if I have to do that. See you guys.